is that little one looking at you?
Hello, friend.
Behind you. Oh my god, what's it? Oh, do you want a picture? Oh.
Is this like you guys and your mum?
Oh.
Snowy and his mum?
This one is definitely this one. Yeah. Remember to get me loads of food. I'm here for food. Are you guys here for food? What are you here for? Jojo, why is that little one looking at you? Are you saying hello to you? Go, 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 go. Oh, guys, welcome to extraordinary Christmas. This is just so gorgeous, yeah. Oh, is that what it is? I think that's what it is.
Hey, the colourful tree. Yeah. Santa's grotto, I see it.
Where? Oh, yes, all there.
Alfie's on the good list. Well done,
Oh, let's have a look. I don't know about Lena, you know. I don't know if Jojo's going to be on a good list. Oh my god, she's on the good list too.
Why are you not sure of that, Alina?
I just don't know, you know. I mean, she's a mummy. No, she's a mummy girl, a full-time mummy's girl. So she does not really like once say that I'm a daddy's girl. Oh my god. Guys, we're going to see Santa.
Are you grumpy a lot? Are you grumpy a lot?
Which way are we going, guys?
Yes.
Wow. Hey, hang on a minute. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, how many are there? Guys, there's so many of them. Go on, Jojo, do it. Oh, is he good? Oh my god. Yes. Can we check? Oh my god, what is he doing behind you? Oh my god, what's it? Oh, do you want a picture? Oh.
Is this like you guys and your mum?
Oh.
Snowy and his mum?
This one is definitely this one. Yeah.
The baby's not got a name yet, has it? Yeah, do you
Oh.
want to give him a name?
Shall we?
What could his first name be?
I think we should call him or her Jojo. No? We should give her your name. Yeah? Oh.
What do you want to call it? Jingle. Jingle?
Oh, that's a good name.
Oh my god, you know, Jingle. I want to have a look at Santa. Oh, guys.
Everybody, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Tell us what they want for Christmas.
Who's going to go
Who's going first? Who's going first? Alf, you go first. You go first. Yeah.
The phone.
What else did you want?
Anything else?
Is there any picture? What type of phone?
What is she eating?
Would you want?
It's Alina.
Alina.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Mummy's there.
What to do is, you tell your mum and your mum will tell me.
What did you want? Lots of Diana babies.
Right.
That is her doll baby that she carries everywhere. So you want more? What
Yeah.
else do you want? A
She wants a
teddy bear. What else? And a doll. Elsa doll.
Yeah.
Anything else? No, that's it.
That's it.
Yeah. Do you like Frozen? Frozen.
Is it Anaya?
It's Anaya, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
You tell something.
What do you want?
That's for
A polar bear teddy.
a polar teddy.
Yeah.
A snowman teddy.
Yeah. You think of anything else?
A reindeer teddy.
Oh my god, so many teddies, you know.
Teddy.
All the teddies, yeah. Lena. Wow. What'd you
You
say?
can open that today when you get back.
Oh.
And your chocolates at the bottom.
Ooh.
Now, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Again, your chocolates at the bottom.
Oh, Alfie now.
That's yours.
Thank you so very much. Thank you.
Chocolate and your reindeer filter.
Collection is that. Oh, look at this. Mommy. Oh my God, yes. So we've had our tuna sandwich and now we're literally just waiting for the kids to finish playing then.
I'm so baby.
You are so what? Do you want a cake?
And I'm not playing.
You're not playing?
Yeah.
But you know what's gonna happen if you don't play? You are gonna turn into a bamboo. Yeah, you're gonna turn into a bamboo.
You
You're
a bamboo.
a bamboo?
You a bamboo.
Yeah, you're a bamboo, yeah? Your sister's a bamboo and your brother's a bamboo. Yeah. Let's go and find something, come on. It is cold, it's really cold. Mommy wants to come here.
Actually, the kids wanted to come.
Yeah, oh, what's going on here? God, so many of them. Hello?
Did they push it?
Go on. Did ya? Let's take a... Excuse me. Go. Oh, hang on a minute. What's going on?
This is my monkey pet.
Tell him to let me go.
No, it's my monkey mouth. Touch his mouth. Ow.
Eee.
Ow. Ew, dirty mouth. Oh, I can wash it.
Excuse me. What? Where are you guys sitting? I can smell. I can... Oh my God, guys. Look up there. You guys are on a wrong chair.
Cuddle him.
What do they call it? Grizzly bear. He's a grizzly bear. Jojo, go and cuddle a grizzly bear. Why? Oh. Let's have a look. Oh, he's cute, isn't he? Oh.
That one's cute. These two, these are
Look, that puppy watch. Have
What?
you seen what he does? No,
What?
this one.
Which one?
cute. Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Go on.
Oh, you see what he does?
Woo. Can you hear something? What is it? Oh God, what's that? Look, look. Yes, darling.
I don't like them.
Why?
I like the penguin.
Tina?
Look, it's a
Look at that, you just take a picture. I'm taking a picture. Cheese. Let's take a picture, cheese. Yeah, I'm taking pictures. Cheese. I was making a video. This place is magical. Guys, this woman is comparing prices. Fun and the doggy here.
Oh, there's a cow.
Oh my God.
I want a chocolate. I want a top. It's a real dog.
Yeah. Come on then. Well, there's nobody who wants to buy you right now, so let's go. We have to come back again tomorrow for someone to buy
We
you.
don't have a letter.
Oh, let's have a... Oh, are we taking the letterbox home?
No, it's all right. It's
Team is your favourite for the Christmas.
all after.
You think you like all of them?
I think I like
Yeah?
the
Look at
the orange one.
Oh, I think looks like that's Alfie's favourite. Yeah.
This is my favourite tree.
Yeah.
That's my favourite.
Which colour theme is your favourite? Have we got orange or purple? Or which one?
All of them.
All of them, eh?
Pink and blue.
Pink and blue.
Take a picture.
Oh, there we go.
Look at Santa.
That's the tiniest Santa, isn't it? She loves it, that little one, I'm telling you. Careful.
Would you like a banana?
Do you want any banana? Go on, guys. They are real. They are real.
It's really sour.
Hey,
They're not real.
You try. Mom.
let me try.
Look at this. Please stop. Look at this. Touch it.
Are you sure? Alright, I'll touch it, but don't prank me, okay? Guys, why have you done that to me?
Look at the snake in here.
Where?
Daddy!
We need to make some orange juice.
Yeah.
Are you ready, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Huh? Oh, they want the small ones. Look, we need to watch the oranges, how they come. Watch. Alright, let Jojo do first, she's tiny. Alright.
You ready?
Go on.
Go.
Off you go on. Hold it, easy. Watch the oranges, watch the oranges.
No, my turn.
It started. Wait for it. All the oranges. Watch the oranges. Watch all the oranges. No, you still got a long way to go. Oh my god, all the oranges. Watch, all the oranges are going there. Oh my god.
And you don't get any chunks of it.
You don't. Can't believe you guys have actually made your own orange juice. Now it's Coco's turn. Let Coco hold it. Well done. How can you go and do it? How can you do it?
Oh, I don't know how it is.
Yeah, Jojo hold it. Let Jojo hold it. She's making her own juice, guys. Press it. Press it. Oh my god. This. Let mommy have a look at the juice.
Wow.
Oh, fill it up, guys. Fill it up.
My turn.
It's Jojo's turn now. Jojo. Ah. Alright, let her finish it. That's it. Oh, taste it.
It's fresh.
Taste it.
Alcohol.
Good?
It's sour. It's sour. No, I'm not done.
Oh no.
The fresh oranges. Look, the fresh.
We're gonna go and pay for these. It's magical, guys. Go on, keep going. Whoa!